Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, as in true Sagittarius spirit, this is your channel song. When to fight, to conquer, to thrive, I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, fly, to fly. I wish today it would rain all day. Maybe that kind of made the pain go away. Trying to forgive you for abandoning me. Crying and still think an angel away. Angel away, yes, strangers away. Maybe that is why I chase strangers away. They got their guns out aiming at me, but I become Neo when they aim it at me. Me against them. Me against enemies, me against friends. Somehow they all seem to become one. A sea full of shark and they all smell blood. They start coming and I'll start rising. Must be surprised, but I'm not alive and I win, fly, soar, higher, 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 more fire. To ride, to conquer, to thrive, I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. To fly. Papa Bear. Everybody try to knock me in. Suffocate every time they lock me in. Paint their own pictures and they crop me in. But I will remain at the top begin. Cause I am not a word, I am not a line. I am not a girl who can ever be defined. I am not flight, I am meditation. I represent for an entire generation. I hear the criticism loud and clear. That is how I know that my time is near. So beauty come around and it's time to fear. And I ain't got no motherfucking time to spare. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden placed upon me. But when you go hard, your yays become yays. Yankee Stadium with Jay and Kanye's. Tell them say you're here to fight, Sagittarius. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Sagittarius, make them know say you come here for win. Tell them say you are not flight, you are levitation. You represent for an entire generation. I hear the criticism loud and clear. That is how I know that my time is near. A beauty come around and it's time to, and I ain't got no motherfucking time to spare. I cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden placed upon me. But when you go hard, your yays become yays with Yankee Stadium with Jays and Kanye's. When you go hard, your yays, your knees become years. You'll be opening in Yankee Stadium for what? Jay-Z and Kanye's. So let them know, Sagittarius, you come for win. You come to strive. You come for the top. You come to do something what nobody else could do. And you have to believe in yourself in order for you to achieve that. Your mother cannot believe in you for you to achieve it. Your father cannot believe in you for you to achieve it. You have to believe in yourself that you came to win. Let us see what your overall message is, and then let's go into your reading. You're a winner, Sagittarius. Never fucking forget that. We have the 9 of Cups, the engagement. I came to win, to fly, to conquer, to thrive. So I'm getting you're going to win the love of your life. You came to win. You're a winner. You're going to win. You're going to be with her. You're the one she's going to be with, Sagittarius. Yeah, you know, I'm getting, pick out your favorite suit and tie because you're getting married. Let's go. We got the 5 of Cups. What happened? You win. Why are you disappointed already? You just got it. What happened? You lost it? I'm getting you got it and you lose. As fast as it came is as fast as it went. What the fuck happened? You just won. Then you call off the wedding. So you got cold feet, or I'm getting you're fucking with other bitches, Sagittarius. Nine of Swords, yeah. So I'm getting you actually did win. The reason why you never get the money, or the reason why the money never get taken back from you, is because you won. The prize was to get married to this person. You call off the wedding. Cause when you win, you got the money. But you take the money and abandon the love. You don't get to do that. You have to pay back the money. So all that trip that you took, all those shoes that you did buy, and all that nice vacation, you have to go pay it back. Because you called off the wedding. You got cold feet. You don't get the money then. You didn't know that? The producers didn't tell you this? Okay. So I don't know how you're going to pay back this money. You don't get the money. Because I'm getting you one. And when them come to you, you say you don't want it. Because you had a girlfriend or you were already in love with somebody else. Right? Great. So you're going to have to pay back every money. Everything you're going to pay back. Just like how the girl don't get to be a gold digger and use you for your money, you don't get to get the money and not use the girl. You have to pay it back. Yeah, with the Two of Cups. Or you're going to have to leave that who you're with now and you're going to have to be with the person who you promised to be with. Remember, it was an arrangement. It wasn't a forced marriage. It wasn't a spell work. That was the arrangement. You're going to marry this girl and you get access to what you want to get. I'm getting you give her the ring and you never married her. You call off the wedding. So I'm getting everything is going to be called off in your life because that's not how the contract worked. No, if that's not it, I'm getting you had this woman already. You were supposed to marry her, you abandon her, you're going to come back again now. You have Two of Swords. I don't know what she's going to... I keep getting 22. Somebody born the 22nd. We have the King of Cups. And we have the Six of Cups. So maybe you were supposed to marry this woman before, be getting you abandoned her, you come back for marry her, she'll leave you at the altar. I'm getting this will never be over until she gets you back for what you did to her. She have to leave you at the altar first, then you can talk to her. But I'm getting you won. You get engaged, you're just supposed to marry her. And then you say, I don't know if I want to get married. I don't think she's the one more. Let me just look one more time if there's anybody else out there. Well, no, she don't want you. And you don't know what to do to get her back in your good grace. Because now she know that you're engaged to her and you are still entertaining other women. She don't want to marry you. So you got to pay back that money, Sagittarius. You got to give back all of that money. All of that money. Every single thing you're going to have to give back. You better give back that monkey. Everything you owe that monkey, you better give them back. Because I'm getting you thought that you could have run with the money and abandon the love of your life. It don't go that way. You have to pay it back. And if you don't have the money, we will take your legs as payment. The devil never not taking limbs before as payment. The mafia do it all the time. So you have the choice of going back to this woman who you promised you're going to be with. Don't go back to her and you have to pay back the money. And if you don't go back to her and don't pay back the money, we're going to take your legs from you. We don't play when it comes down to arranging people. We don't. You waste a lot of people's time and a lot of people's energy. Because you are too selfish, running down pussy, you don't know if you want, or you're too greedy for the money. So now you are going to know what it's like to have all the money in the world and know where to walk to spend it. I'm going to leave it here until, no, am I? Yes, no, maybe so. Should I put these? We have Libra coming out first. Yeah, that's the fairness. That's what the contract said. You get the money and you get her. You don't leave her and keep the money. You don't leave her and go on a vacation without her, with your next girl. You're going to have to pay back everything. Or you're just going to have to be wheelchair bound, whichever you prefer. I'm not my Aries, yeah, Libra and Aries, the opposite of each other, right? Aries opposite of Libra, the head and the foot. So what you want? You want to mad you or you want your foot get taken away? Because you're going to have to pay back this money. So you know which one you want, though, which doctor, yeah, what you want, though. Because the Libra are going to take away your foot and the Aries are going to mad you. As a matter of fact, wait, let me look on somebody else. So it's either you're mad out, Bro, I don't know what kind of deal you go make. You go make a deal and you not keep up your end of your bargain. Them a come for you. You hear pictures and videos, that's all I'm going to say. They're going to come for you. No phones allowed and aliens. They're going to come for you. And they ain't going to come for you and abduct you. They're going to come for you and leave you without a limb. Because I'm getting, this is who you are dealing with. You were arranged, you were hand selected to marry somebody. But I guess even though you're hand selected, the stupidity, the retardedness never blood clot ooze out of you properly. So here we are thinking that this guy was a perfect match. Oh, he's still an idiot. So you have to pay about the money, all of it. All of it. Every single bit. And not a cent short. Or you just know. You're going missing. You should know that. I'm not, it's not a threat from me. It's a threat from them. Cool. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.